God!
I am a barrister with a hyphen. A barrister with a curriculum.
I'm a gangster lawyer, baby.
Who are you? You feel too big.
You're a man with few words.
Ooh, you know me very well.
Are you guilty or not guilty?
I am guilty.
I've never in my life lost any case.
And she must face the law.
Objection overruled, my lord. Please overrule it on my behalf.
And I hereby sentence you to 2 years imprisonment.
2 years again.
Ikena, so it's you.
Can't you say we are in a law court? Behave yourself. Matthias.
Move it! I put it to you. My client was not caught red-handed.
He was caught red-handed.
I am not in for this nonsense. I am not.
You must be in for my nonsense.
Adameji kwa widows achi. Adameji widows ebu.
Can you imagine the embarrassment dressed like that going to the market?
Ah, Papa, I can't be that in now.
I attended 36 law schools in United States of America.
A barrister that my autograph has set so many nations apart.
Barrister Matthias, I've stood both of you to court.